Good evening, friends. For the inaugural function of the India International University of the Legal Education and Research University, the present along with me, the Honorable Justice P.R. Gavai, the Judge of the Supreme Court, the Honorable Mr. Justice Mr. Suryakant, the Supreme Court Judge, the Honorable Justice M.M. Sundaresh, the Judge of the Supreme Court, Honorable Mr. Justice Mahesh Sonak, High Court Judge, Mr. Manan Kumar Mishra, the Chairman of the Bar Council of India, Mr. Nilesh Cabral, the Law Minister of the State of Goa, Mr. Sri Devidas Pangam, Advocate General of the Government of the Goa, all the dignitaries on a desk, along with them our MLAs, Mr. Anton Vaz, Mr. Krishna Daji Salkar, and all other justices, all other judges who has come from all over India. It gives me the immense pleasure to inaugurate the campus of India International University of the Legal Education and Research in the beautiful state of Goa, which will be the first of its kind in the country. It will be the first international legal education institute in the country having the facilities and amenities at par the global universities, including the state-of-the-art infrastructure. I am glad that this institution is commencing during my tenure as the Chief Minister of the Goa, and it is my privilege that I can be the part of it. I am proud to announce that the Government of Goa has given the 2 lakh square meter of the land at the Dharbandoda to establish the prestigious university. Till the university complex at the Dharbandoda is completed, the government has made the temporary accommodation for the university university functions in this building of the Kala Bhavan Sankware, which actually with the help of our MLA Anton Vaz and the local panchayat has also helped for this building. Our JSIDC, all the officials who have completed this work within a short span of the time. Now the JSIDC will be preparing the plan for the university complex once the Bar Council of the India will make the appropriate arrangements. We all know that education plays the vital role in the youth's life. Dedicated teachers always make sure that the students get the best education for the future career. The students of this university will have the privilege of studying under the topmost international as well as the national legal faculty. The education is only the key to the success in personal and the professional life. It is the aim of my government to make the Goa into an educational hub of India. Our Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi ji has a vision of the India as a Vishwaguru, the world teacher. The establishment of this university is that Goa is contributing to help to make the vision into the reality. We at the government of Goa have the vision to create the identity behind the traditional aspects of the tourism, football, art, cultures, etc. Especially during the past 2 years, my government, the state has experienced some glorious moment in the educational sector. The Goa Assembly has passed the India International University of Legal Education and Research of the Bar Council of India Trust Act, and for the purpose of the establishment of this university. This act also provides the 20% of the reservation for the Goan student for the admission to this university. It has also been my dream and vision to provide the best of the education for the youth of Goa at par with the international standard. This is a step towards the dream. We have been able to attract some prestigious institutions to the state by the way of passing the Goa Private University Act. We are on the fast track path of completing the NIT campus at Kunkalim and have commenced the campus of National Forensic Science University at Dharbandoda. Today's inauguration is not only the joyous celebration of the occasion, but the expression of the state's that Goa's interest in the legal education, the global affairs and public policy. The Goan students are excelling in the field of legal practice. With a prestigious institution setting its base in Goa, our youth and will have the more exposure to achieve the excellence in the emerging field of international arbitration and international maritime laws, etc. In my opinion, Goa is the best to become the arbitration center for both the national as well as the international arbitration proceedings, and I am glad that the Bar Council has incorporated these aspects of their step up. I call upon the Bar Council of India and its first trust to come forward with the similar proposals, and we will be the more happy to support them. So I wish all the best for the institutions. I look forward to this institution achieve the glory of the state of Goa through its pursued excellence. I pray that the Temple of Learning will stand tall for many years to come, thereby fulfilling the really purpose of the education which will serve the people of Goa. In Kokani I will say, तुमका सगळ्या जाणांक हांव गोंयांत येवकार दिता. तुमका सगळ्या जाणांक फुडले 2 दीस गोंयांत मैं कोंकणी में आप सभी को बहुत बहुत आपका स्वागत करता हूं और एक पोएम के साथ मैं खत्म कर देता हूं. बाकीबा बोरकर जो मराठी में राइटर है, उनकी एक पोएम है. माझ्या गोव्याच्या भूमीत गड्या नारळा मधाचे, कड्या कोपऱ्यामधून फुटती गड्या दूध हे घटाचे. मेरे गोवा की भूमि में जो नारियल है वो इतने ही मध जैसे उनका पानी है, और इस बारिश के सीजन में जो पानी गिरता है वो दूध जैसे लगता है. क्योंकि आप ही का एक जो भाई है, उसने मेरे दूध सागर के बारे में उसने मुझे थोड़ा सा बताया कि आप दूध सागर के इकोलॉजी के लिए ध्यान दे दो, क्योंकि किसी ने दूध सागर नहीं देखा होगा तो जाके दूध सागर भी देखो. इतना सुंदर गोवा है. इट इज नॉट ओनली the sun, sand and sea, but besides that there is a Sahyadri belt. Totally there is so many centuries are there, and also the so many temples are there. सिर्फ मैं इतना ही कहूँगा, क्योंकि दूध सागर के बारे में कहते वक्त, क्योंकि हम वहाँ पे रोड और सब कुछ करना चाहते हैं, लेकिन सिर्फ वो अड़ा हुआ है आप ही के वास्ते. आई थिंक इफ यू गिव द परमिशन देन डेफिनेटली विल मेक रोड देयर एंड विल keep the environment and ecology of the Dudh Sagar also. We want your permissions only. Thank you.
It was not only the promising